My name is Catherine Bartz. I'm the owner of The Brothers That Just Do Gutters in Bradenton, Sarasota, Florida area. We're reinventing your contractor experience from the first phone call to the call center to their estimate that they receive from our solutionist to our installers calling on the way to the follow-up calls that we make. My husband and I are both born and raised in this area, so we feel a lot of sense of pride, and making sure our customers are treated right is really important to us because it's our name in the business. But it has been really rewarding that people are just blown away by the experience they receive from our franchise. We're doing more than just hanging gutters. Sometimes we're the only bright light in people's day, and just really trying to be kind and treat people the way you would want to be treated.
This is home to us. All our family members live here. We care deeply about our community and have a lot of deep friendships here. And so owning a small business is more than just gutters. It's a reflection of who we are as people. And so with that, you're gonna get, quality service, a quality product, and an ownership team that stands behind their company.
I can promise you that your experience with us will be one that you won't forget, and we also will do whatever we can to make sure that you're taken care of and you're happy in the end.